Welcome. Today I'm demoing All Things Graph, a community platform built specifically for graph theorists, graph databases, engineers, knowledge graph practitioners, and AI developers. So graph technology is transforming AI search through data modeling, but the community is fragmented across blog papers, social media platforms, also Medium articles where it's not really like uh, domain specific. All Things Graph creates a dedicated home where graph knowledge doesn't just get posted, it connects. So the problem we are trying to solve here is currently data is scattered, information is scattered across various social media platforms and Medium, let's say. But however, I want to build a domain-specific article writing. So for now, this code is not going to be open source. It will be open source in the future. So here we begin with the All Things Graph, where we can talk about everything in the graph space, especially right now with the introduction of knowledge graphs and how the ecosystem is really expanding. We find it difficult to find information across the internet, and we want to learn about connecting knowledge graphs and AI, and not just that, also graph theories, new algorithms, and we want people to rank these articles. We want to see views, and there's no better place to do it here than All Things Graph, where we use a graph database behind the scenes. We use some graph algorithms to rank articles. We can also cite each other, mention each other in the post. You can create, so this platform is not just for individuals, it's also for companies. They can join us and they can talk about their graph things, and I hope they kind of like it and they generate and create a community behind it. So basically it's just an article, but article writing site, but specifically built for the domain of graphs. In the future, when I open source this, people can use it for other platforms like other business domains and other domains. Yeah, so I'm just going to demo a few things here and there. So we can view our profiles, we can see companies, I can search companies. Yeah, and we can own companies, we can write articles on behalf of companies. We can follow companies, we can follow each other, we can also DM each other. As you can see, we can follow each other, we can message each other. But the most exciting feature is not really the messaging, it's how we wanna place articles in our domain. And one of the cool features is I wanna say that we want to mention you can mention each other in posts, and the users can be able to find people with influential posts in relevance to graph theory. You can also cite articles, which makes it easier. And if, let's say, it's a research paper and it's currently like the most cited within the community, it can appear in the most influential article currently, and people can get to know and get insights of what's the latest in this domain, what is more relevant to the community. And in the future, we hope to add research through the platform, where people can come research about everything in graphs, graph databases, graph theory, AI agents with graphs, knowledge graphs, and things like that. And people can be able not just the research, but to learn how we build things. So I'm expecting people to not write also tutorials in this platform and things like that. So I hope you guys can be able to come try it out and see how it works. Thank you. That's it for this demo.